Hi viewers, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaskaram. You are watching Aha Namma channel. It's full and full education and entertainment. Watch the video carefully and learn it everything.
Hi students, good morning to all. Now we continue the exercise sum regarding volume to combined solid figures. The first question, a solid is in the shape of a cone stand on a hemisphere with both the radii being equal to 1 centimeter and height of the cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. So here what we have to understand, they have to given clearly what is the combined solid figure. It's to be combined solid shape is hemisphere and then cone. So hemisphere is in the bottom part and then top part is to be cone. So here it's given to be clearly. And another thing they have to given the radius. Radii being equal to 1 centimeter. So radii of hemisphere and then radius of cone, it should be 1 centimeter and height of the cone is equal to its radius. So what is the radius? Radius seems to be 1 centimeter and also the height also 1 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. So what is the meaning of that? Means we no need to mention the value for pi. We no need to substitute the value for pi. So first we have to see the diagram. So this is the diagram for this solution. In this solution already I told it can be combined with the hemisphere and cone. So upper part is to be cone and then lower part is to be hemisphere. So in this hemisphere radius is to be 1 centimeter and also height of the cone is to be 1 centimeter. So now what we need to find out? We need to find out the volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. We get the volume of this solid figure. Okay, so now we need to go given that value. So height of the conical part is equal to radius of the conical part, which is equal to 1 centimeter. It should be given in the diagram. So and another thing, what is the given value? Radius of hemispherical part and radius of a conical part both are equal is to be 1 centimeter. And what we need to find out? We need to find out the volume. We no need to take out the value for pi. So what is the next thing? Volume of a solid. So volume of a solid means whatever the part is here, it should be conical part and hemispherical part. So volume of conical part plus volume of hemispherical. So what is the formula to find out volume of conical part? It seems to be 1/3 of cylinder. Already we know that volume of cone is equal to 1/3 of volume of a cylinder. So 1/3 pi r square h and volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. So it should be in a cubic units. So the formula is to be 1/3 pi r square h plus 2/3 pi r square h. So here we need to find out, substitute the value. We no need to substitute the value for pi. So we need to give the solution in terms of pi. Okay. So first we need to substitute 1/3 pi into 1 square into h, the dot mention multiplication. So 1/3 pi into 1 square into 1 plus 2/3 pi into 1 cube. So it can be written in the form. So directly they have to given the answer. It seems to be pi centimeter cube. So how it is happened, I just shown. So what is the value we have to take? 1/3 into pi into 1 square into h. So it seems to be, it becomes 1/3 pi. 1/3 pi plus, and second one it seems to be 2/3 pi into 1 cube. It seems to be we get 2/3 pi. So what is the value here? The denominator seems to be same. We get 3 pi divided by 3. We get 3 pi divided by 3. So we need to add, we get 3 pi divided by 3 centimeter cube. So now you have to see that 3 should be cancelled. Okay, so now what is the value? So the value, it seems to be pi centimeter cube. So the value, it seems to be pi centimeter cube. So pi centimeter cube. Next we move on to question number 2. Rahel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with 2 cones attached at its two ends by using thin aluminum sheet. Okay, so Rachel is one of the engineering student. We asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with 2 cones attached. So here what is the combined shape? One should be cylinder and 2 end of the cylinder, it can be attached with the cone. So we have a cone and cylinder is the combined figure. So what is the measurement? The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter and its length is 12 centimeter. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, find the volume of air contained in the model that Rach made. Assume that outer and inner dimension of model to be nearly same. Outer and inner dimension are nearly same. So the diameter of the model, it seems to be, already I told, so it can be merged with the cylinder, means diameter of the model. So diameter of the cone and diameter of the cylinder both are same. Diameter of the cylinder and diameter of your cone both are same. So the radius seems to be 1.5 centimeter. And its total length of the diagram. So diagram, how it is seen, normally it can be like this. So it can be mixed with 1 cylinder and 2 cones. So it's the cylindrical part and the end, it seems to be attached with cone. So this is the rough diagram I have to told. So the total figure, so total length, it seems to be, they have to given total length, it seems to be 12 centimeter. So what is the height of the cone? Height of the cone, it seems to be 2 centimeter. So here 2 centimeter, here 2 centimeter. Totally we need to subtract 4 centimeter. So now you can take what is the height of cylinder. Only we take height of cylinder, we need to subtract 4 centimeter. We need to subtract 4 centimeter. So now we move on to the solution. So what is the solution? First, so this is the diagram, already I just shown as a rough. So total figure, it seems to be combined with the cylinder and the cone at the end. So total, it seems to be 12 and 2 edges height of the cone, it seems to be 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. You need to reduce 4 centimeter. So height of the cylinder is 8 centimeter and radius, the diameter of the model is 3 centimeter, means radius of a cylinder and radius of a cone both are same. So now the height h1 of the conical part is 2 centimeter and then h2, height of cylindrical part, seems to be 12 minus 2 into height of your conical part. So because in the each end it can be fixed with the conical part. So total height of the solid figure is 12 centimeter. We need only cylinder. So that's why 12 minus 2 into height of conical part. So we get 8 centimeter. So what is the radius of cylindrical part? Radius of a cylindrical part and radius of a conical part both are same. It should be 3 by 2 centimeter. So volume of air present. So volume of air present means here what are the things it combined? Volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of conical part. Here cylindrical part is there, conical part is there. So how many conical part? 2 conical part. So we need to find 2 times volume. So what is the what we need to find out? Volume of a cylindrical part plus 2 into volume of conical part. So you know that volume of a cylinder it seems to be pi r square h, and then volume of cone it's nothing but 1/3 of cylinder. It seems to be 1/3 pi r square h. We need to add. So h1, h2 it mentioned the differ height of cylinder and volume. So we need to substitute directly the answer. Pi into 3/2 whole square into 8 plus 2 into 1/3 pi 3/2 the whole square into 2. So height. So now we need to calculate here what we get. 18 pi plus 3 pi. How it is happened? 18 pi divided by 3 pi, which is equal to 21 pi. So by the calculation we need to find out. So first you need to here pi 3/2 the whole square. So pi 3/2 the whole square, you need to square the value, means the value become pi into 9/4 into 8. 9/4. So now next thing what we have to take, 2 into 1/3 pi and 3/2. So it can be 2 into the value of 1/3 pi, we take it as same, and it seems to be 9/4 into 2. So 9/4 into 2. So we have to take 2 into 1/3 pi and 9/4 into 2. So this is the value. So now you need to cancel the part. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. So now you need to multiple pi into 9 into 2, you get 18 pi. You get 18 pi. Next, you need to multiple, you need to cancel this. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. And in this 2 and this one, it will cancel. Okay. And 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So what is the remaining? 1 into 3 into pi. So you get 3 pi. So you get 3 pi. So 18 plus 3, 21. So now you need to substitute the value 21 into 22 by 7. By cancellation, 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21. So 3 into 22, you get 66 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the combined solid figure. Rachel can be made the solid figure combined with the two conical part at the end of the cylinder. So air must be present in that solid is 66 centimeter cube. Now we see question number 3. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns. Each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical end with a length 5 centimeter and diameter 2.8 centimeter. So here we need to find out the sugar syrup. We need to find out the sugar syrup. So the sugar syrup is nothing. How much it should be means 30% of the volume of a gulab jamun. So 30. So one gulab jamun it contains 30%. Okay. So totally in that jar contain 45 gulab jamun. So we need to find out the volume of a gulab jamun first. We need to find out the volume of a gulab jamun. So in the gulab jamun it's combined with the hemispherical part and the cylindrical part. We need to find out volume of a hemispherical and the volume of a cylinder. So first we have to find out the volume of a gulab jamun, that is the 45 gulab jamun. We need to find out 30% of its volume, it seems to be. So totally how much sugar syrup must be present in the container. So first we need to know how the shape of the gulab jamun. Already it shows cylinder and mounted with hemisphere. Okay, cylinder mounted with hemisphere. So this is the form. Cylinder mounted with the hemisphere. So already they have to given length is hemispherical end. It should be length. So the length seems to be 5, and diameter, and its diameter seems to be 2.8. So diameter seems to be 2.8. Radius is 1.4 centimeter. So now we need to find out first volume of a 45 gulab jamun, and next we need to find out 30% of its volume means, that is the total sugar syrup present in the container. So first, this is the gulab jamun shape, cylindrical part, and then hemispherical part. It should be 2.8 centimeter, and it seems to be 1.4 centimeter the radius. It seems to be 1.4 centimeter, and height it should be 2.2 centimeter. How it is happened? So here total length of the gulab jamun is 5. So we need to subtract 5 minus 2.8, which is equal to 2.2. So this is the height of cylindrical part. This is the height of cylindrical part. So now we go to the solution. So it can be observed that radius of a cylindrical part and hemispherical part both are same. So 2.8, 1.4 centimeter, and length of hemispherical part, it seems to be radius of hemispherical part is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Length of hemispherical part, which is equal to radius of hemispherical part, is equal to 1.4 centimeter. So length of cylindrical part is supposed to be, we need to subtract 5 minus 2 into length of hemispherical part. So it is 2.2. Volume of a gulab jamun is nothing but volume of cylindrical part, and 2 hemispherical part is there. So 2 into volume of hemispherical part. You know the formula. It seems to be pi r square h plus 2 into 2 by 3, 4 by pi r cube. So pi r square h plus 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So now one by one we need to substitute the value. So pi we keep it as same. So first we have to find substitute the value for height and radius. So r square seems to be 1.4 square, and height it seems to be 2.2, and next 4 by 3 pi into 1.4 whole cube. So now we substitute the value for pi value. So 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 1.4. So 1.4 whole square. 1.4 whole square can be split as 1.4 into 1.4, 2 point, and then 1.4 whole cube can be split as 1.4 into 1.4 into 1.4. Now we need to eliminate this. 177, it should be 0.2. You have to multiple 22 into 0. This 4 value you get 13.552. The same way you need to cancel 177 and 0.2 is to be, and you need to multiple 4 into 2 into 0.2 into 1.4 into 1.4 and divisible by 3, you get 11.498. You no need to pronounce that should be 552, 498. After the decimal part you should say in a single number 552 and 498. You supposed to add, you get 25.05 centimeter cube. So this is the volume for one gulab jamun. We need volume of 45 gulab jamun. So we need to multiple with the 45. You get 1127.2 0.25 centimeter cube. Now we get the volume of a gulab jamun. So 30% of its the volume seems to be present of sugar syrup. So now we move on to the find out 30% of volume. So 30 by 100. 30% of the volume means 30 by 100 into 1. So you supposed to multiple and cancel, you get 338.17 centimeter cube. 338.17 centimeter cube. Approximately we need the value. If we take, it should be 338 centimeter cube. So volume of a sugar syrup. Volume of sugar syrup. Volume of sugar syrup, which is equal to 338 centimeter cube. Volume of sugar syrup, which is equal to 338 centimeter cube. So you need to finish the worksheet on the basis of the given sum. You have to learn and work out it. Each and every question, once you need to work out it, once you see the video means, again you just close the video and work it in your own interest. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை ட்ரைன் தட்டுங்க.